hub installed. I'm going to show you guys the method that I'm using to pull out this inner seal, which separates the fluid from the grease on the hub. Obviously you can see it doesn't even look like anything's in there, but it's really this same exact seal, just like that in there. So it is a pain in the butt to get out. I'm going to show you guys the method that I'm using. Some people say a seal puller. I went and got one from Harbor Freight. It is way too big, so I'm going to show you guys the method that I'm using. All right, so I have this puller tool. Obviously it's a large puller, so what I'm doing is I'm sticking it in there and I'm grabbing that lip and I'm hitting it with my sledge here, right on that tip. It's a pain in the butt, but it will come eventually. So I'll show you guys when I pop it out. All right, so it's at the end here. It starts to get a little bit easier. Just gotta work it. It's almost out. There it is. There it is. So as you can see, there's our old seal, which was very, very worn down. So there you have it. It is out now. I'm going to clean that up. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to reinstall this inner seal. All right, so this is the goal here. You want to find an object with the same outer diameter that you can beat it in there without essentially touching that seal. So I'm going to put it in. I'm going to show you guys. So this is probably the most tedious part. As you see, it's in there. I'm going to put this there, beat on it very carefully, and I'll show you guys the end result. All right, and just like that, as you can see, it is fully seated in there. It looks good. Happy with it. So I'm gonna go ahead, grease up my, I gotta see if I have what I want to put on the axle. And then, yeah, I'll show you guys next steps here in a second. All right, as you can see, I didn't record because I forgot to, but after that, you want to make sure that your Woodruff key is in the keyway, in the channel, in your axle when it goes back into the hub. I stuffed the bearing. I did that inner seal, did my outer seal, which is super simple. I got all new springs, new shoes. So yeah, it's looking really, really good. If you guys have any questions about the process, just drop them down below. I have a couple more things to button up. I have to double check the torque and then install the cotter pin. But I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to get the other side, rebuild, get the other side in, and get that side of the axle housing cleaned up. I got that seal out today, and then I'm going to get this side rebuilt, get it back in, check float, go from there, and hopefully we can get this back in wrapped up. The only thing left is swapping out that pinion drive flange and going with a more upgraded one and replacing the seal. But yeah, after that, then I just got to throw the shocks on and the rear end is wrapped up. So big things coming along. I'm going to go pick up a radiator either today or tomorrow. Aluminum radiator. I'm going to do electric fan and along with a rack and pinion conversion like I said last video. So hopefully here in the next month or so, I'm going to get I got the inflatable paint booth here. I'm going to get that thing set up in here. Get the body all prepped, ready for paint, and hopefully a lot more videos coming soon. So I got to sandblast the other housing, get all this cleaned up, and yeah, hopefully next video both sides are wrapped up, I can put my drums back on and call this good back here, and I'll do a video on changing out the driving flange and hopefully installing some brake piping soon. So I'll see you guys next video. Let me know if you have any questions.